In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check Steam login activity history. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find your recent sign-ins and how to confirm everything looks right. Start by opening the Steam client on your computer, or, if you prefer, visit the official Steam website in your browser. Log in with your account credentials as you normally would. If you're using the website, make sure you're on the legitimate Steam domain before signing in. A stable internet connection helps the pages load quickly and keeps this process smooth. Once you're signed in, look to the top menu and click Help. From there, select Steam Support. This will take you to Steam Support Hub, which is the central place for account tools, troubleshooting, and data about your profile. On the Steam Support page, find the section labeled My Account and click it. This area gathers everything related to your profile and security. Next, scroll down until you see data related to your Steam account, and select it. Think of this as your account's data dashboard. It's where Steam provides detailed information tied to your account. On that data dashboard, scroll down until you reach Recent Login History and click it. This is the page that lists your sign-ins. Steam may ask you to verify your identity at this point, which is normal. You might be prompted to re-enter your credentials or enter a Steam Guard code sent to your email. Open your email, copy the code, and paste it into Steam when prompted. Never share these codes with anyone. This verification step helps keep your account secure. Once the page loads, review the entries carefully. You'll typically see the date and time of each login, the general location associated with the sign-in, and sometimes device or platform details. Remember that locations are approximate and based on network information. If you use a VPN or travel, the location may appear different than expected. That doesn't necessarily mean something is wrong. What you're looking for are sign-ins at times you weren't active, from places you don't recognize, or from devices you don't use. Take a moment to scroll through the list so you're familiar with your normal activity. This view is especially helpful after you've signed in from a new device or network, because you can confirm that Steam recorded the login correctly. And that's it. Thanks for watching.